Welcome to our English Antonym Quiz. Are you ready to challenge your vocabulary and sharpen your language skills? In today's video, we'll dive into 60 engaging multiple choice questions specially designed for B1 and B2 levels. Whether you are looking to enhance your English for travel, work, or just for fun, this quiz is the perfect way to learn and test your knowledge. So let's explore the fascinating world of antonyms together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting language challenges. Let's get started. What is the antonym of accept? What is the antonym of borrow? What is the antonym of arrive? What is the antonym of brave? What is the antonym of build? What is the antonym of calm? What is the antonym of cheap? What is the antonym of combine? What is the antonym of create? What is the antonym of dangerous? What is the antonym of delightful? What is the antonym of dirty? What is the antonym of early? What is the antonym of empty? What is the antonym of famous? What is the antonym of generous? What is the antonym of hard? What is the antonym of healthy? What is the antonym of huge? What is the antonym of include? What is the antonym of innocent? What is the antonym of interesting? What is the antonym of light? What is the antonym of modern? What is the antonym of narrow? What is the antonym of natural? What is the antonym of ordinary? What is the antonym of patient? What is the antonym of peaceful? What is the antonym of polite? What is the antonym of public? What is the antonym of rare? What is the antonym of regular? What is the antonym of rich? What is the antonym of rough? What is the antonym of rude? What is the antonym of safe? What is the antonym of sharp? What is the antonym of short? What is the antonym of shy? What is the antonym of simple? What is the antonym of silent? What is the antonym of smooth? What is the antonym of soft? What is the antonym of strong? What is the antonym of success? What is the antonym of sweet? What is the antonym of thick? What is the antonym of tired? What is the antonym of true? What is the antonym of trust? What is the antonym of ugly? What is the antonym of usual? What is the antonym of victory? What is the antonym of visible? What is the antonym of warm? What is the antonym of weak? What is the antonym of wide? What is the antonym of win? What is the antonym of wrong? Thanks for quizzing with us. We hope you had a blast testing your English skills. Did you challenge yourself? How many did you get right? Comment below with your score. Did you breathe through or find a few tricky ones? We love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss an update. We've got more quizzes and fun English tips coming your way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and let's see who can get the highest score. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. See you in the next video. Bye!